Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Facebook and signing in with the account that shows the personal dashboard. Once signed in, open the profile menu, tap Settings and Privacy, then Settings. You need basic permissions to see dashboard controls. Make sure two-factor authentication and your email are accessible if Facebook requests verification. This step locates the control panel. Once done, you'll be ready to find the specific dashboard or layout option to remove. Do not skip verification prompts. You now search settings for the profile or feed customization area. Type dashboard in the search box if available, or open profile settings and look for layout or widget controls. Once found, review each widget and visibility toggle to identify the personal dashboard element. Click Edit or the three-dot menu, then choose Remove or toggle it off. If Facebook shows a confirmation dialog, read it, then confirm. Make sure to repeat for any linked widgets, so the dashboard no longer appears. You finish by refreshing Facebook or closing and reopening the app to verify the dashboard is gone. If the change doesn't show, clear the browser or app cache and sign out, then sign back in. This forces the UI to update. Make sure you removed all related widgets. If the dashboard still appears, report the problem through help and support and include screenshots. Facebook may be rolling out features or enforcing layout defaults, and a report speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.